Tasowheel is a family-owned company with over 40 years of experience in manufacturing of various complex machine components. For example, these include cylindrical gears and shafts, as well as hydraulic blocks. Today, we have over 120 highly skilled and motivated workers, making it possible to operate globally. We continuously improve our skills and know-how to give our partners the best possible service and product. To be globally competitive, we constantly invest in people and in latest machining technology. Quality control and measuring are at the core of our production. With this strategy, we can fulfill even the most demanding tasks from our customers. We strive for efficiency. Behind every operation is a person, so people are the most important piece of the puzzle. Our core values focus on teamwork, learning, improving, and finally succeeding. This is done together, as a team. Why choose Tasowheel? It's simple. When you want the best service, products and quality, Tasowheel is your choice. We will support you and make your business succeed. We are globally local.